You guys feel it? This guy. Woo! Nico, don't be scared. Come and get wet. Woohoo! Come on, Nico. Why are you hiding? Don't be scared. It's just water. Look. Can you guys feel it? You can get him. Spin around like this. Come outside a little bit. Come one step out so you can feel the rain. Just one step. One step. Okay, fine. It's okay, it's just water. It's raining harder. Everyone get out his face. You guys feel it? Ooh, that's cold. Edwin! Edwin! I don't like that. Thank you, mi vida. Look at the sky. Oh my goodness. There's nobody outside but us. We're brave. No. I don't have any more space. Ah, it's cold. It's okay, Nico. You're inside. Hopefully the sun comes out. Ah!